2K26. The king returns. Onam, the celebrated festival of Kerala, isn't a festival of religion, gender or caste. It is the festival of us, the people of Kerala. And don't worry, after these programs, it will be all of yours. We celebrate Onam as the return of our golden king Maveli, a king whose reign was filled with happiness, truth, and now, to start the morning with a prayer, I invite our choir group.
Happy Onam to one and all present over here, and a warm morning to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all my teachers. Today, I stand on the stage not just to speak a speech, but share my understanding with you all. Onam is the most celebrated and loved event of people of Kerala. It is also their harvest festival along with Vishnu. I am sure you all know something about Onam as you saw previous celebrations. However, I am here to take you beyond it. Onam is said to be the return of Kerala's great king Mahabali. It is said that Mahabali was a great king and Lord Vishnu Avatar. Lord Ramanand had to chase him down the utter life in the form of small Brahmin kids. It is said that Mahabali or Mahadevi comes back each year to visit his country and people, and the people celebrate him as his true king. Which means Onam normally occurs in mid of August or last of August. It is a festival celebrated for 10 days simultaneously through August, and the 10th day is the most important, and thus it is named as Thiru Onam. There are many events that happen in Onam, and it consists of all kinds of things, from artistic things to food, fashion games, and so on. They make a rangoli-like design for 10 days using flowers of different kinds. Its size increases throughout the days, and along with it, the pattern changes.
നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായിരുന്നു അജാമത്തരി
ഞാൻ ആപ്പിള് തിന്നും, ഞാൻ മുന്തിരി തിന്നും, ഞാൻ കോളാണ്ടി, ഞാൻ സുന്ദരനല്ലേ, ഞാൻ സുന്ദരനല്ലേ. മകളും
ഇങ്ങോട്ടോ